Drop makeup remover and cotton pads. Remove makeups on face and neck. Operate for 3 minutes. Clean the face and neck with face wash. Apply toner. Relax the face. Apply massage cream on face and neck evenly. Caress for 3 times. Move in circles with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from chin to earlobe. Press the Chengjiang REN24 and Yifeng TE17 for 3 times. Move with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands from chin to the upper lip, and from upper lip to chin alternately, like writing letter C. Press the Chengjiang REN24 and Nenzhong DU26 for 3 times. Massage in circles from chin to ear gate. Press Dichang ST4, Jiache ST6, and Tinggong SI19. Lift with forefinger at ear front and ear back, up and down. Then knead earlobe with thumb and forefinger. Operate for 3 times. Massage in circles from nose wing to the temple. Press the Yinxiang LI20, Quanliao SI18, and the temple. Operate for 3 times. Massage in circles from nose wing to the inner corner of eye. Press the Bitong EM7, Jinming BL1, from tip of the brow along the eyebrow bone to the outer corner of eye. Press Chuanzu BL2, Yuyao EM3, Sizukong TE23, Tongziliao GB1. Operate for 3 times. Move from the end of eye along the lower eyelid. Press the Qiuhou EM6, Chengqi ST1, Sibai ST2, Jinming BL1. Operate for 3 times. Put fingers together with both hands. Slide from Yintang EM2 to the inner corner of eye, along the lower eyelid to the temple. Then slide from Jinming BL1, along the upper eyelid to the outer corner of eye. Operate for 3 times. Slide with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands, one hand at front, the other one at behind, as if writing 8. Operate for 3 times. On one side, lift with ring fingers and middle fingers of both hands alternately from lower eyelid to the temple for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. While on one side, lift alternately with both hands from chin to the temple, one line next to another, for 3 times. Lift from eye corner to hairline for 3 times. Lift from forehead to hairline for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Relax the neck. Rub and caress with both hands at the chest for 3 times. Lift with both hands alternately at the neck for 3 times. The customer lies on his or her side, then slide at Dabanjin with one hand for 3 to 5 times. Rub Dabanjin alternately to the back of the ear from the shoulder with both hands for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Clean face and neck. Apply toner evenly. Apply proper eye essence around the eyes. Lift from the inner corner of the eye, along the lower eyelid to the temple. Upward for 3 times. Move in circles from lower eyelid to the temple. Upward for 3 times. Combined with the hand, lift from the inner corner of the eye, along the lower eyelid to the temple. Upward for 3 times. Lift from the inner corner of the eye, along the brow bone to the end of brow. Upward for 3 times. Do the same to the other side. Apply eye masks for 15 minutes. Remove eye masks and clean the face. Care the skin.